then I can start to determine what do I need to look for that's going to tell me exactly when it is making the move to the upside. So if I was in NVIDIA, if I was trying to long this, I don't long it till the break of this 200 right here. See it? Yeah, I'm just not doing it. If you're over there playing around trying to catch Tesla and chasing that, oh, it's reversing, you're going to get wrecked 15 times.
Hey, coach. I mean, I sort of see it on Tesla, but I'm talking specifically more on like a run up. At some point, it just sort of like goes sideways. I guess my question is, at that point,
when do you start looking at the reversal?
Is there going to be a reversal, or is that just a pause?
Well, we look for the boot, right? If it's the other way, I always talk about this, right? So if it's stair stepping up, it's running up, and then it consolidates and it starts to get heavy on the vine. You guys hear me say this, right? So it starts to curve. And if you look at the other way, if it's going down, 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 and it starts to curve, and I tell you it's starting to form a boot, it's the same thing. Once I see it start to form a boot or heavy on the vine, then I can start to determine what do I need to look for that's going to tell me exactly when it is making the move to the upside. And that's why I gave you guys those key critical areas. And it's different every single time. Then I can start to determine what do I need to look for that's going to tell me exactly when it is making the move to the upside. So if I was in NVIDIA, if I was trying to long this, I don't long it till the break of this 200 right here. See it? Yeah, I'm just not doing it. If you're over there playing around trying to catch Tesla and chasing that, oh, it's reversing, you're going to get wrecked 15 times.
Hey, coach. I mean, I sort of see it on Tesla, but I'm talking specifically more on like a run up. At some point, it just sort of like goes sideways. I guess my question is, at that point,
when do you start looking at the reversal?
Is there going to be a reversal, or is that just a pause?
Well, we look for the boot, right? If it's the other way, I always talk about this, right? So if it's stair stepping up, it's running up, and then it consolidates and it starts to get heavy on the vine. You guys hear me say this, right? So it starts to curve. And if you look at the other way, if it's going down, 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 and it starts to curve, and I tell you it's starting to form a boot, it's the same thing. Once I see it start to form a boot or heavy on the vine, then I can start to determine what do I need to look for that's going to tell me exactly when it is making the move to the upside. And that's why I gave you guys those key critical areas. And it's different every single time. Then I can start to determine what do I need to look for that's going to tell me exactly when it is making the move to the upside. And then you're going to go, I'm not doing it anymore. And then it's going to go.
You looking at NVIDIA, coach?
Good call on NVIDIA. So let's start drawing this out, right? I want to start looking at what am I seeing, right? Is there anything I'm missing? Is there anything I can see different? So you guys can already see overall downside, right? I can see that here. We're on VWAP. The overall trend, though, is to the downside. So if I was in NVIDIA, if I was trying to long this, I don't long it till the break of this 200 right here. See it? Yeah, I'm just not doing it. Overall's down. There's not a lot of movement between here and here. I'd rather wait for the break and hold above the 200 to ride it up. Otherwise, guys, still it's to the downside, right? I don't want to play with this yet. Yeah, let it come up here. Let it work. We don't want to worry about these little baby pockets. We want to let them get into a nice long running room, right? And what was that other one? Tesla we were looking at, right? How's Tesla doing? You see how Tesla's still consolidating, still respecting the 21, still to the downside. I still don't like it up there. Do you see what I mean? If you're over there playing around trying to catch Tesla and chasing that, oh, it's reversing, you're going to get wrecked 15 times. You'll have your stops will be too tight. You'll continue to do it. You'll do it here. Oh, this is going to be it. And then you'll do it here. You stop out for loss. You're going to do it here. Oh, this is the one. You're going to stop by. Oh, well, I guess not. And then you're going to go, I'm not doing it anymore. And then it's going to go. Now there goes Tesla pull. Do you see what I mean, though?
Absolutely, coach. You saved me right there.
And then you're going to go, I'm not doing. There we go. Just made $851. Not bad for one trade in 4 minutes. I know it wasn't a massive move, but I put a little bit more weight in there, so it did not require me, right, obviously, to have that big of a move. If you guys look at it, my average price in that, I think it was like 98 cents. So from 98 cents to sold at $1.06, right, that was $850. Doesn't require a big move. I always say those 6-cent moves, right, that's how we got Jimmy up to his first $3 to $6 million is off of 6 cent moves, right? 6 cents. I can tell you right now that if this didn't start to make a move, I would have gotten rid of it within the next 2 to 3 minutes, right? I'm not even getting close to market open with it. The closer we get, the more dangerous it becomes, right? Eventually, people will want to exit before the market opens. But I just saw here, it had this beautiful run up. It was decent news. It was consolidating. It was respecting the 9. If you guys look at it, I saw it moving up on the 9. And then when it pulled back, this is where I tried to add in because it respected the 21. And then, of course, you guys all saw it live when we got the beautiful candle that I was looking for. It was really because it just stayed up. If this was a pop and drop quick, this would have drove way up. It would have came down. It have broke through here, and it'd have been lights out, and people would have been screaming and crying, and I would have got out and just said, okay, I'll just take the L. But that wasn't the case. It stayed up. That means buyers still want to get a hold of this thing, right?
Welcome to the Aftermarket. American Dream Trading. You have entered the Aftermarket. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Welcome. You are now in the Aftermarket.
Welcome to American Dream Trading's The Aftermarket live chat and watch party. I'm your host, Dawn, aka J&J Video Reacts. And this is a stream that's been created for you, traders. You! If you trade, this stream is for you. It's a place where we come to decompress after the market. Just kind of let our hair down and just kind of chill and talk about the day and reflect on what we did, what we learned. Did we have a green day? Shout out to you, Pebbles. I see you with the green day. Way to go. You're consistent, man. You're consistent. Gilly, I saw down there, Bucko 504. What's up, gentlemen? You got to just be consistent, and you're doing that, Pebbles. I'm so proud of you. You and F2, you guys are making some serious strides. We got some females making some serious strides. Maria is kicking some ass. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you, it's just people have got it going on in this group. We've got the show I wanted to talk about tonight was Practice Makes Perfect, where you want to make sure that your mental game is strong, but you also want to make sure your technical game is strong too. Technical meaning clicking the mouse and all that good stuff. So you got to make sure that you know what you're doing when you're getting in and out of trades. I heard a couple people over the past week or so get stuck in trades because they just didn't know how to get out. And one of the first things that coach stresses is mechanics. You have got to know your mechanics. And who is coach? Coach is Chad W. Christian. He's a 33-year stock market vet. And he has literally traded in every market condition imaginable. And that's what he does. He teaches us how to do just that, how to get in trades, out of trades, and everything in the middle. So we learn the mental mechanics and we learn the physical mechanics of trading. We learn how to put in support and resistance lines. We learn how to chart, basically. We learn skills like reading the L2 order book, all kinds of things, entry points, exit points, something that we have called the 2-minute EWO strategy, which teaches you how to hold on to winners and stop out losers. It's an excellent strategy, and we have masters that are teaching this to us. So, you just gotta got to find you a good trading home, and American Dream Trading is it. So if you'd like to join, go ahead and click that link that's pinned to the top of the live chat. It is none other than AmericanDreamTrading.com. And you can get yourself signed up with any of our memberships, the monthly membership, the premium monthly premium. You can do the VIP Gold add-on with the VIP, VIP Gold Complete. I'm telling you, you name it, it's there. We've got it. Coach is the only one that does the live open mic where you can actually interact with him and ask questions. Everybody else just trades and you watch them. That's not helping you. He trains us how to trade. So that's the difference. We're not a call out group. We're actually taught how to fish instead of handed fish, right? So with that being said, tonight we're going to talk about practice makes perfect. The importance of making sure you guys know what you should be thinking and how you should be moving within a trade. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking about pulling up TradingView replay and maybe doing a few trades. You know what I mean? Because we got to learn to respond to the indicators and what that means when they do what they do, how we should be responding to it. Another link that's in here is none other than the stream link. If you want to come up here and hang out on the panel, come on and do it. You are invited. Come on up here on the panel and hang out with me for a little bit and, talk about your trades for the day. You can talk about your goals. You can offer us any, what of Coach's strategies did you use that helped you make money today? Did you break any rules? Did you lose money? Do you want to go over your trades? That's all available to you. Just come on up here on the panel and we will do it all. Also, the tip jar is down there. Yours truly. That's also part of how I get paid. So if you want a tip, that is much appreciated. Don't forget, let's get the housekeeping in check. Let's go ahead and make sure we share out the video. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel if you have not already, and smash that like button. We are trying to get Coach to 15,000 subscribers, and right now the update is 13,263. Way to go, guys. We're getting them there. Only 1,737 to go, and we are there. Less than 1,800 votes or subscriptions, less than 1,750. And we are there. We have reached our goal, and then it is on and upward from there. The next goal will be 20K, of course. Let's see. All right, let's see. What do we have here? What's up? So we said we have Pebbles down there, Gillies down there, Bucko 504, F2. What's up, brother? Eminem, what up, Maria? Joe Pink, hey, what up, Joe? What else? Who else we got down there? We got Purple Rain down there. What's going on, Purple Rain? Purple Rain, Purple Rain. Diesel Dan. Oh, that's right. I got the background. I'm like, you can't see Prince behind me, right? You might be able to see like the ghost of Prince. He hangs out around me. Diesel Dan, what's going on, brother? How are you? Hey, girl, hey! Christina's down there. What up? Sorry if I'm blowing you guys' ears out. Am I blowing your ears out? Let me chill. Scott Bennett. Hey, it's been a minute, brother. How have you been? She said, hey, everyone. Hey. So Eminem said, Gilly, I am so happy that you protected your account today. Why you ain't getting none of Gilly's money? The hell are you happy he protected his account for? I'm kidding. I'm so kidding. I'm so kidding. I'm happy you protected it too, Gilly, because we've heard some stories. So I'm glad you did that, brother. Way to go. Because Gilly can trade his ass off, but we know Gilly is one of those guys that, you challenge him and he's going to come up to meet that challenge. He ain't scared of shit. So there's things he's probably willing to try that sometimes might seem, you sure you should do that? But he'll go for the gusto. And a lot of times he makes out. So, but sometimes he doesn't. But he protects his account. I got it. I love it. Gilly said, till I pad my account and get my... I'm not even going to repeat it. What? Man, I'm just sitting here saying you got huge ones. You're all right. You'll be all right. Get them what? It's messing with this now? Is it messing with this? It's all you. You're messing with this. It's really you. You know that, right? It's when shit goes on in our head, it's really us doing that to ourselves. So just cut the shit. It's you. Oh, we got Maria. What's up, girl? Mikey D, Sweet Tea, what's going on, brother? Welcome. Oh, yeah. We haven't, Joe. Yeah, that's why I figured I'd pull it up because we haven't done that. Solar panel, what's going on? How are ya? Erob 1215, what's Erob? What's going on? How are you? What's up, Jay? Made a few bucks as a day trader today. Well, good for you. Good for you. I did too. Apple paid out.
Is Solar Panel a part of the group already? I just don't recognize the name, but it's the
they've
second.
They've been in here once or twice, yeah.
Right. Yeah,
I don't know if they're a member though.
Okay. All right. Just checking. And don't get on me for caring about Gilly's account. It has nothing to do with me, but he's family. Come on now.
I knew you were gonna say something. Mind your business.
But you
girl.
tried me anyway. See, that's. I don't know.
I
know
know.
about you. Where'd I get
What?
you?
What I do? What I do?
Where'd
What I
I
do?
get you at? Where'd I get you at?
I don't know, man. I don't know. You gonna put me back? Jen always says that. She's like, "Where'd you find me?" All right. So, what do you think? You want to do some practicing? Want to pull up the replay trading view?
I brought my paper condom to the party.
Okay,
I heard
maybe
you saying that, and I was
yeah.
like, "Uh-oh, gotta go get my check sheet."
Dude, maybe let's do Apple since you and I are on Apple. Let's go back in Apple.
Might be a little cheat.
Huh?
Might be cheating.
No, not if we're doing past stuff that we haven't really played. When did you start playing it on the regular?
About, I don't know, 12 days ago or so.
Okay, let's go back like 2 weeks then, right?
All right.
And that way we can't, you know what I mean? We don't know what happened. And this is good because this will let us know kind of what led up to where it is now.
Right. Yeah, I really started the week before earnings. So, like, yeah. So that's been like 12 trading days. I don't know. I'm green for my 11th consecutive day.
Woo! Good for you, honey.
Dude,
All right, we got F2 coming to the panel and Pebbles.
Let's go.
What's up, gentlemen? Now we have an even ratio of testosterone and estrogen up here.
Mark would be proud.
Probably
He
more
would be.
testosterone. But
He would be. All right, so let's switch it out. Let's put you here and put Maria there. That way we have diagonal. That way it's all mixed up. All right, let's see. TradingView, hello. Where'd you go? Where are you? Why are you not up? Look, it's mad at me because I've just been using Weeble. Okay, there it is.
Really?
Yes, man. I have not messed with TradingView in a couple of weeks since Bruno hooked my Weeble up. I have not been using TradingView. And I never thought I'd say that. I mean, I love me some TradingView.
What's crazy is I use it more now than I ever have. What about you,
Really?
F2? What about you, Pebbles?
Let me see if I remember how to do this.
I don't really use TradingView.
Okay. Pebbles?
I don't use it either.
Uh,
I'm telling David. I'm
uh,
telling David. I'm telling David.
what the hell
Well-
is going on here?
It was too confusing. I had too many things to look at, so I eliminated one. And I'm thinking about getting it back now that I'm maybe doing better here. But
Oh shit! Wait a minute. When is my renewal? Because this is not looking like my stuff. Damn it! I think I might have missed my renewal. I may have to.
I can send you my login information, but my stuff is all
I
typed.
know exactly. I'm like, it won't be.
Yeah,
Shit.
it won't be purple and white. I can promise you that.
I thought that was like March or April. Yep. I think I gotta. All right. Well, I'll get that handled tomorrow. I think I gotta pay something.
I just had to re-up too.
Yeah.
We can do it on Weeble, but how do you make it do the candles and not the line? Has anybody figured that out?
The candles are not the line.
Oh,
Yeah, because I heard Weeble had a replay thing.
When I go to replay, it does a candle instead of, it does a line graph instead of candles. Has anybody else had any luck with that?
I haven't messed with it. Let's see what they're saying.
So, Forrest said, I wonder if I protect my account too much. I move up my stops and then I get stopped out at a small gain or loss before it continues. You're not supposed to move your stop, Forrest. Your stop is for emergencies. You don't move it, right? I know you did today, Pebbles, but you were way up, right?
yes, I was. I had already shed a bunch out, and then it looked like it was getting heavy, so then I pushed it up above my entry, and
Right.
it took me out. But normally, I'll put it down there about a buck below my entry, and just actually I put it just below the 21.
That's smart. What about you, F2? Do you move your stops?
Only when I'm starting to go up, like making profit, I'll bring them up.
Do you wait for like a certain percentage of profit, or do you?
I go. Not really. I have my daily goal that I want to hit now, and like if I get close to it and I still have buying power and stuff, it all depends on how much I have left and things during it before how much I move it up, how close I stop it out at.
Okay, so any advice for Forrest?
Not February 21, so we're good. So why isn't my stuff coming up?
Whatever his tolerance, his risk factor is, like if he's willing to let it move, like is he following the 6-star trade method, where his candles are at and things, like it all would depend on how much he's willing to risk. If he's scalping, then I probably wouldn't move it.
I think that's
I don't scalp. I have but I do think I remember he had started scalping last week. I don't know for sure. But
all right, let's go with that.
Oh yeah, and E-Rob said the Weeble replay is not good, and he wants to know what Bruno did to your Weeble.
He just basically set it up on the desktop app instead of me using the website, and set up the L2 and everything like I like it.
Oh, and Solar Panel is a paid member. Okay, we got that.
Okay, cool. All right, so I pulled up. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm on the app. Yeah, we're good. I'm on the app. I just pulled up that. I don't know what the website version was doing, but I'm on the app. So let's pull up Apple. Hold on, let me share my screen. We're in business.
Okay, F2, let me see your paper. Let me see your sheet. Oh, never mind. Just kidding.
What the hell?
This is definitely going to be cheating for F2. He's been playing. Wait, I thought you were in TSLL all the time.
He's venturing out.
Look at you.
I gotta have more than just one favorite.
Oh,
Apple
you
News will be sold.
you cheater.
So you're cheating. You got okay. This is not monogamous anymore. Okay.
The Apple chat is the place to be. I did nothing but Apple today, and
So
I
did we.
So did
I
I.
done all right. Like if I keep having days like the last two, then we
Then
may venture
TSLL
into.
who?
Dude, I feel you on that. I'm like, seriously? I was green today. That's all that matters. And I had a bunch of support right there. So I'm loving it too, F2. Yeah, let's be Apple Chat buddies, y'all.
It seemed like it moved nice and slow.
Yes.
And
It might be back to how Apple used to move because Apple got a little violent for a minute. Actually, today it did start out a little wicked, but it evened out. And once it did, oh, payday,
So
payday, payday.
my advice is that I know Pebbles isn't doing contracts. Are you doing contracts F2
who? Me?
or shares? F2.
Sure.
I did contracts today. I did all calls because I
Okay.
was pretty confident in my sheet and everything. So
Right. So if you're buying weekly, tomorrow they're gonna start moving quicker. Like Monday is the slowest of Delta, you know what I mean? Like the time decay or theta, I guess is what I should say. And then today is like you could see it a little bit, but it recovers pretty quickly. Tomorrow it's gonna stop recovering as quickly. Like the same part on the graph will still be on the chart will still be like considerably less, whereas today it might have been like a couple pennies off. Does that make sense?
yes.
But you'll see. I mean, just play around with it, but be a little more cautious on holding. Not that you are. I don't mean that, but you know what I mean. You hear me?
I understand. I get you.
I think it's Sergio who says Apple's forgiving, and it is on Mondays and Tuesdays, but I have found it a little more impatient on Wednesday through Friday.
Really? Yeah, you've put a couple weeks of screen time in, so you've seen it repeat some habits already?
Yeah, I mean, unless you're buying the following week, you know. I haven't done that yet. Because on Friday, it's more of a scalper's mentality for me because you are going to lose so much theta, you know. But
Right.
but yeah, it's gonna get a little less patient or tolerant as you go through the week. But it is still way slower than IWM. I mean, IWM will wick down and take you out and then keep going. Like I cannot with that.
What
and
the
then
hell's going on with this thing?
me and Spy don't get along anymore either. Or Spy and I never did. IWM and I broke up.
Oh man, you know what? Hold on. How far back can you go? Because it looks like it won't let me go back to like the beginning of January.
I honestly have no idea. I usually replay my trades so that I can see. Because, I mean, I'll be honest, like, my mechanics are not, as great as they could be because I'm still not using Weeble as much. But I'm about to tomorrow. But then I need to be more cautious just because, you know, it's a change. But I'm trying to learn, like, because I get in a little bit, you know, a little bit late, like a couple seconds, and then my exits I'm trying to figure out the right exit point, and I'm trying to do the gamma. But anyway, I don't know how far it goes back is the short answer to that very long answer that I just provided.
All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of charting here, just marking the pre-market high and previous day high. I'm not going to tell you what day I picked. You just have to trade the trade.
Are you going to mark pre-market high and low too?
That's what I'm doing, yep.
Oh, okay.
Pre-market high, previous day low. Just to give you a little satin, little roadmap. Little something.
F2, you got your sheet ready? We're going to compare notes.
All right.
That is, I guess I would consider that pre-market high, but it literally dropped. So, yeah, I don't know that I would consider that pre-market high. Hold on. Let me unlock that and bring that down. This will, because it immediately dropped. So that would technically be pre-market high right there. And pre-market low down here. All right, we got it. Yeah, it's a triple bottom right there. And it's locked in pretty much at the end of the wicks. Yes, I talk to myself a lot. Let's just go here. This looks like where the meat and potatoes is. Okay. All right, y'all ready?
I can't see the EWO.
What do you mean? It's right here.
See, I think it's my stupid phone. All right. Oh, I see it now, but why is it so little? Okay, whatever.
I know it is a little bit little. Hold on. Is that better? Is that better for you?
It's a mechanic or it's a technical. I don't know how to get rid of the chat now. And just okay, whatever. I'll figure it out. We good.
All right. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. What we're gonna do is go ahead and get this thing started, right? So however you trade, whatever you look for. So all right, check this out. Let's do this. Who wants to take this first trade? Trade it until you're done with the trade, and then the next person will take over. So who wants to go first? Maria, you want to go first? I'll go first.
No, I'm going to get an iPad. I'm sorry. My bad. No, I'm going to so I can see better.
Oh my God.
All right.
When is, let me make sure.
Okay.
Pebbles, you want to play?
Oh, I'll play, but I don't short. So I did yesterday because I had to, but I'm just right now trying to figure out what your lines are.
It's
I mean, is this a white line here?
yeah, this is a white line. I put a white line here. This is pre-market low. See this triple bottom right here?
Yeah.
That's what I marked out. That was pre-market low right here. And then pre-market high was right here, because immediately as soon as pre-market opened, it dropped, but then it bounced back up. So this was technically pre-market high.
Okay, so this little white line here, then there's the next white line is, I know it might be a yellow line, I don't know.
You see this channel here?
Is a 9?
Okay, so here's the thing. This might be a little confusing for you because this is trading view and it doesn't follow the same color scheme as Weeble. Hold on, somebody else came in. Let me let him in.
Good.
Up, Diesel Dan, what's going on, brother?
Hey, what's up? What's up? Trying to get my camera to work. I'll take that first trade. I'll take the first trade if you want me to.
Yeah,
okay, cool beans. And you know you can go with or without camera, so it's your choice now.
Okay, yeah, because it's saying re-download the app to get camera to function.
Yeah, if you can't get it working right, don't worry about it. We're good. We don't need the camera anymore.
Oh, okay.
Cool. So I've got previous day high marked out right here.
Okay.
You see that?
Yep.
And previous day low right here. And then I'm not really counting the after hours, and it dropped immediately in pre-market, right?
Yep.
So this would be the pre-market high, technically, after all of this shit happened. And then the pre-market low is this triple bottom. So I've got that stuff marked out for you. So these are the lines that you're going to be aware of, okay?
Yep. I see.
Just let me know when you want to buy or when you want to sell. And if where you want me to put your stop. I don't know percentages and stuff. Just kind of let me know about where on the screen you want me to put your stop, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's hit play and let's get it going. If it's too fast, I'll slow it down. Let me know. If it's too slow, I'll speed it up.
Okay. Is it rolling right now?
It is.
We're on a
Let me,
double. We're on a double bottom, so let's buy it right there. What do you think?
We can do that. Buy on a triple bottom.
Yeah, triple bottom, isn't it? Yep. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. Apple moves.
Are you sure? Because it's going down.
Is it? I can't actually. Let me zoom in a little more on it. Hold on.
There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah, I see. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I don't know that you want to buy on that.
No,
You
let's
might want
hold
to sell.
Yep. Let's hold
You
off
can
on it.
short on here, you know.
Oh, okay. All right.
You want to short?
Yeah, let's try and short it. It is going. It is dropping pretty quick.
How many you want?
Let's try what, 3 to start with.
All right. And so far you are up. Do you want me to set a stop anywhere in here?
Yeah, let's set a stop. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think we should do?
It's up to you. It's up to you. If it were me, let's see.
You're on the 21.
Yeah, good call.
Back here. I'll put
What did
it
you
up.
say? Pebbles to 21, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do
21's
that.
all the way up here. Okay.
That's quite a pullback, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. How about we go to the
Come on.
9?
Look like we might have a pullback coming.
Actually, let's go to right here so you get some profit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it still didn't even touch it. Let me know if you want out.
No, that looks good. Where's our profit showing?
It's showing right in here. See that?
Okay, yep.
Yep, that's your profit. Once we end the trade, it's going to show up down here what your total is.
Gotcha. Looks like it's going to drop some more, so can we speed it up a little bit? Can we take a click at a time, or is there a way to do that? Or
yeah, hold on. Let me pause it.
because we're up $1.44, right?
Yes.
There we go. Nice.
Gilly wants in.
Pebbles, what do you think?
Gilly?
Where do you want to cut off want to sell it at? F2, what do you think?
Oh, there you are, Gilly. Gilly, you there?
I think so.
Yep.
It's not
Okay.
turning on my camera though.
Yeah, I had
I'll
the same problem
consider
too when I come
now.
in, Gilly.
Diesel Dan.
It's okay if you guys can't get your cameras on. All right, so I'm going to hit play. I'm not sure if I slowed it down or sped it up, so let's see.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you're getting paid. Oh, you are getting so freaking paid. Let's move your stop down, huh?
Yeah, I was going to say move stop, probably what?
Right there.
There you go, perfect. Nice.
All right.
How many shares did you go in with?
Oh, he's
We
got
went in
3.
Might want to tighten the stop up a little bit now.
Ah, shit. You got
Nice.
stopped out.
What did we walk away with? 327 or?
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, you walked away with 189.
Okay, green's green. Well, hey, we'll
Green
take
is green. Hey, look, we can look. If we went to contracts, that's $189.
I was gonna say, isn't that like a 180 or so?
We
with
can
contract?
call it 189. These can be contracts, right? So you made $189 on that one.
I call that a good day.
I call that a real good day, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and keep score here. Anybody else want to take the next trade, or you want to continue on, Diesel Dan? How are we gonna do this?
Pebbles F2, man. I don't want to hog it. You guys can jump in there and
Go ahead and take it because it doesn't set up for me yet.
All right,
All right,
Gilly, you
Don,
want to play?
Can you put the restream link back in the chat?
Yeah, I can put it back.
For some
in
reason,
there.
Restream's kind of goofy. It's
Okay.
not allowing me to have a camera, and
All right. Well, Diesel Dan went through the same shit. I wonder what's going on.
it was just had to have been the link.
Give me a second, gentlemen, while I put
Yeah,
this
like,
link.
I've never seen this option before. It's kind of weird.
yeah, me neither.
You know what? I couldn't get on yesterday, so Restream must be changing some shit around, and it's glitching a little bit.
Yeah, yesterday the link in the membership lounge wouldn't work. Had to go to
Yep.
YouTube and find it.
I couldn't even actually load the stream up. It was glitching on my end too. That's why I was so late yesterday, because I'm like, what the hell? It wouldn't go live. It was weird. All right, there you go.
Okay, I will be right back.
Mickey D says, "Oh my God, I love this." She says, "I am an imaginary rich man."
No, keep that imaginary rich man going, dude. Live it, feel it, because you'll turn into that rich man. So, what are we doing here? You are you just gonna continue, Diesel?
We can, yeah. You want to short it again? I think we're coming up on a what? We're starting to retrend back in an uptrend. So
Okay, so yep, it bounced. Let's find out. Okay, so check this out. There's a line here. So look where it bounced right before the line, right?
Yep.
I don't know why that particular line is there. That might be an old line from before, because it broke through the stuff that I had earlier. This is all my stuff I just did is up here. So yeah, it went through all of that. This must be a line I had on Apple a while ago. But that could explain why, they don't go all the way right to the line a lot of times. That could explain why it bounced. So right here would be your resistance level, which would be yesterday's or pre-market low.
yeah,
So
let's do that. Yeah. Well, we thinking we could probably.
you want
let
to
it
try
go
to
a little
long
bit and
it
see
until
what
there? Yeah,
see what
maybe
it's-
let it go. See what
See where it's
it's
going
gonna
to
do.
go, because it's starting
Okay.
to come up to the trend line on the indicators too. Come
All
back
right.
up.
We'll
See
hit
what-
play. Just let me know when you want to get in, sell, or buy.
Okay.
Look at that thing. It's
Let's
back there.
let's short it, Don. Let's short it right now with 5 contracts. See what happens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Set a tight stop on it though.
All right.
Probably what's code say 5%, 8%. I don't know if that's
Where would that be? Right about here?
yeah, that'd be good. Yep. Set it.
I
Well,
think
let's
I
set the
heard-
stop it. Let's set the stop at break even, and that way we can pull it down as we go.
All right. Let me let Gilly in.
All right.
What indicators are you guys using?
Looks
We're
like coach's
using the
indicators.
trade. Yeah.
The 9
Right.
is that yellow dotted line. I'm sorry, y'all. I had a delivery. The 9 is the yellow dotted line. The white line is the 21. The 55 is purple. And VWAP is way the heck up there.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Mardix H is in here. Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Mordix? Got Future Trader down there in the comments too. Future
What's
Trader
up, Future? Yeah, come on up, man. All right, what do you want me to do now?
Tighten that.
So far, she's checking up.
Yeah, tighten that stop up a little down a little bit, and
Bring it back. Bring it down.
Yeah, bring it down just a little bit. That
All
way
right,
we break
so far
even.
so good.
Yeah, that way we break even on the trade if it does a reversal.
Bring it to your open.
Yeah, probably. Does it look like it's starting to channel? There's a good. There we go. There's a pullback.
All right, it stopped you out.
Oh, did it? Okay, shoot. And
Yeah,
it pulled back too, pretty good.
yeah. Well, that's a good thing because you were to the downside. So
What I do
wanna
walk
let
away
it play
about?
out for a little bit.
Yeah, 265 is what it's up 3. Oh, nice. We're up a little bit, aren't we? Or no?
Yeah, 279. You got up another $100. Once you 189.
Yep.
So $90 added to that on your second trade. Good deal.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Gilly, you want to give it a shot, man? Did Gilly make it back in? I can't see if he did.
Yeah, Gilly's in here. All right, Diesel Dan is up to $269. Anybody else want to do the next trade?
I'll give it a try.
Okay. All right, so you see where we're at. Everything that we marked out is up here. Pre-market high and low and all that. So let's squeeze it in just a little bit. So here's what your overall picture is looking like. Okay, so we're to the downside. It did have a pullback here. So it's getting a little choppy in here, but other than that, it's Diesel Dan got the meat of that.
Yeah.
It's getting a little choppy here, so be advised.
Yeah, handy homeowner, Don says down there in the comments, those tight stops are what gets me in trouble every time.
Yep. It'll do it. But better tight stop than, getting wiped out, right?
Yep, exactly. Reposition and try it again.
All right, so I'm going to hit start F2. You just let me know when you want in, okay?
All right. All right, let's go with 5.
5 to the downside
Sure.
or upside?
Downside.
Sure you want to get in here? It's pretty sketch right here, dude. It's kind of in a channel.
I'd wait for the candle to clear the 9 and the
Yeah.
21.
Yeah, good advice.
All
Good
right,
advice.
what's my colors here?
Want some space in between them. So when they pull
Yes.
back, they're not.
So the
It's kinda to
purple is
down.
red, the purple is red, and the white is green. And then the colors here, the white here is the 9. I mean, actually, this dotted line, that's the 9. This white here is the 21, and this is your 55.
Oh, okay,
VWAP
so-
is right here.
So we're kind of trending downward, right, Don? Pretty much.
Well, yeah, that's what I did. I just did just to give you guys a.
I don't know. You might want to short it.
There it is, right there. That's
kind of trending
what
downward.
Yeah, that's what our day is looking like.
Yeah, let's short it.
All right, how many you want?
Let's go with 5.
Of course, I say that it reverses out. Yeah, sorry, I have to.
That's okay.
It's coming down. All right, where you want your stop?
Let's go with what is the light line again? Is that the 9?
It's the white line is the 21.
Let's
The
go with
dotted-
the 21.
Okay, the polka dot line right here, that's the 9. So I'll bring it up here to the 21.
Ooh, nice. There you go. Nice dump.
I'd bring it down here and get some profit.
Yeah,
Bring it on
definitely.
down.
Or just sell one there.
I'd start shedding.
Yeah, 'cause you're on triple bottom
Just
right
got
now.
stopped out.
All right.
What, 179? One,
thing
what do
is-
you take?
The thing is, if you would have left it at the 9, or I mean at 21, you wouldn't have been taken out, but you could have still sold one down there. And when it pulled back to the almost to the 21, you were still in it for the next downturn.
So 420, what is that? 428?
I think so, yeah.
All right, so we'll minus what Diesel Dan had, which was 269. 428 minus 269 is 159 you made on that F2.
Nice job. Nice job.
Thank you.
All right, 159 on that. I mean, it's a good thing because you didn't want to lose all that, right? So sometimes you get stopped out, but at least we got you some profit.
Yep, that's right. Take
Okay,
what you
so
get. What is Coach?
Okay, I'm ready.
you ready?
Yes, and I want to put. Yeah, okay. Let's see what happens. But I'm noticing. So the thing with Apple is it respects different lines on different days, and it's really respecting the 21. So that's interesting. It hasn't
It is.
broken held above it. So okay, let's go.
I hate it when that regression channel. Yeah, it's riding the 21. It's not really breaking the 55 up here. But yeah, you're right. It is respecting the hell out of the 21. Look at it. When Diesel's run came, it wasn't anywhere near it. It even respected the 9. Then it said the hell with the 9. And now it's riding the 21 pretty much. But here, it broke below the 9 again. Because the 9,
Right.
don't forget, is the dotted line. So you want to let it ride for a little bit?
One of the things I've been trying to figure out is so it broke the 9 and the 21 and they had converged, right? Like had gotten thinner, the river of money, right? And now we're on a 2-minute, correct? So it's been like 20 minutes since it broke
Might
through.
be 1 minute. Yeah, it's 1 minute because we're kind of scalping here.
You crazy.
We're scalping.
No, okay. You're right. We're scalping because it is in the middle of an EWM, which has never changed, by the way, and it's never gone to VWAP. So that's on my other whole thing, but whatever. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, we're going to hit play, and you let me know when you want in, okay?
Well, okay. Yeah, we're going to wait on a candle.
Yeah, because it's in a
We
it's
don't know.
consolidating right now.
Right.
Come on, break.
Yeah, I'll get in. 5 down.
All right.
And then I want my stop above the 21. The 21, not the 9. You'll about right there will work.
All right. See what we got going on.
Oof, I just got
God
that
damn.
That was a
Womp,
quickie.
womp, womp, womp.
Right. For
All right.
sure. And see, I would be shedding. I wouldn't be all out, honestly. But I don't guess that matters. If you have a stop, it's taking you all the way.
Yeah. So let's see. Did you get anything on that one?
No, I probably lost.
No. Yeah, it took some away.
Okay,
So-
I'm negative.
Well, give it another
What was
shot.
it, 428? It was 428, wasn't it?
Yeah, she only lost like $62, I think. It wasn't much.
Only. Oh my God, I'd be shitting my pants. Diesel Dan.
Well, you get another
You're
shot at it, though.
adorable. Okay.
You get another shot at it. You can still make it back.
Right. We're gonna have to break below the 9 before or above the 21. So all right. We'll see what happens. She did break into an upper channel, right? Like, I mean, it broke that
think so.
channel.
Yep, I think it did. I'd let it play out a little bit and let's see what happens.
Yeah.
See what-
Right. Okay.
All right, let's hit play.
Gilly said something's up with the restream. I'm on my home computer. I don't know if he's trying to get back in or not.
Let's see. Hold on, let me pause so I can see what's happening with Gilly real quick.
They said he allowed all permissions and still doesn't work right.
That's crazy. Maybe he should try from his phone.
All right, somebody
that
came in.
working?
Let me see if that's him.
What's up, Joe Pink? Joe Pink's down there too.
Yes, Gilly. Because I see that background picture.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
yeah.
we can hear you.
So I got a background, but still no camera. There's some stupid ass red thing in the center.
Wow, you're
I don't
having
get
a
They
it.
rough
might
night.
have new filters.
They may be doing something new because I was telling everybody before I couldn't even get live yesterday. So something's going on with Restream.
Something's different about it because when you commented earlier, Gilly, about getting my testicles back, it said to me on there to allow the comment or not. I said, what the hell is this? So something's definitely different with this.
I even went to the permissions on Google and all the crap, and everything's turned on, and I don't know what's going on.
Well, I'm sorry you're having difficulty, honey. Wish I
Yeah,
could
this is
fix
bullshit.
it.
I want my $50 back.
I know, right?
I want a refund.
But I think it works on my. I think it all works fine on my cell phone, just not the computer at home for some reason.
All right, so $269, $428. So Maria, you lost 158 right there.
I thought I only lost 60.
I didn't want to tell her, Dawn.
What?
I didn't want to hit her with it that bad.
Oh my god! Hey, Diesel
Yeah.
Dan, truth only, man. Listen, I can handle it.
All right, so we're starting point again. Now here is 270. That's our ground zero. Who's next? Maria, you getting back in?
I mean, Diesel Dan said I should, but I'm gonna be
Yeah,
honest.
yeah,
I
do
feel
another
naked without
Why?
the L2.
Oh.
I mean, you know.
I know, right?
I know. Can't have it all on the replay.
Listen, I want my cake and eat it too.
Can't have it all.
I want a refund.
She wants a replay refund. All right, so let's get it started. Maria, let's go for round 2. Let's see if we can get that back.
Okay. I think, I mean, the 9 and the 21 are about to cross. Hit it.
They didn't cross yet. See, do
I
you
said
really
about
trade
to.
like this?
Excuse me?
Do you really trade like this with no
Like
patience?
what? No.
No patience.
I don't know who you're talking to right now.
You.
Young lady. Young lady.
You. What the hell? Did I hit start? No, I did not. See, Maria, leave me alone. All right. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. She has been started. We got a green candle. And we got a red candle. See, this is some choppy shit right here. I would wait.
Yeah, I'm not playing none of this.
Yeah.
Not without my L2.
I'll zoom
Well,
out. I don't.
at least you got a channel right here. Wait till it breaks to the up or down side.
Right, for sure. It's super. Okay, so this is when it was doing that crazy wedgie stuff.
The 9's curling up. But look at those wicks.
My iPad is like 30 seconds behind your live stream. Okay.
Okay.
We're chilling. I ain't doing nothing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
all right.
Okay.
I need to see. Oh,
Ooh,
fudge.
oh.
I should've jumped. Okay, too late. I'm not.
How many
in.
of them? No,
too late. I'm
double
sorry.
bottom.
Go in.
Double bottom.
Now you
That's
just
what Scribe did to me earlier.
Pebble says he's in.
You're in Pebbles?
Well, I'd shorted the hair for sure.
How many? Let's get in it.
I don't know what are we playing here.
This is
Actually.
Apple.
I don't know. Give me 10 shares. I don't know.
Oh yeah, there
Down though, right? You want to short? Okay, yeah, short.
Oh, and put the stop in at the 21 or just below, just above the 21.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right.
Man's got a plan.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see.
I'm telling you, he typed it all out in the chat today too. He's a beast.
You picked the right time to short it.
Did
Is
he?
that your super trend right there?
I don't see it.
There's
It's a little triangle.
yeah. All right.
Yeah. All right, Pebbles. It looks like it's coming back down, buddy. You didn't get stopped out. Pebbles.
Move your
With
Shed
his
stop
one
down.
here.
21 stop. Huh?
You can shed one here.
Move that stop down. Protect your
Yeah,
ass.
shed one. I like that, Pebbles. I'm with
All
that.
right.
lady.
So we shed one.
Yeah, he's going to dump one more time. Tighten that stop up, Pebbles.
You want to tighten it up or you want to leave it where it is?
I'm gonna leave it where it is.
Okay.
I don't think you shed one though. It still says 10.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm glad you didn't shed one. Oops.
I bought one, so
Oops.
it should have taken one off.
He's
It
up
didn't?
about, yeah, he's up about 360, 325. Not
No,
bad.
it's my iPad. Never mind. I give up.
All right, it's consolidating here.
Kind of choppy now.
Ooh. She loves to do this. So she does those like
All right,
4 candles. Yeah.
Take 2 off.
Does it show a P&L on there?
Right here.
Gotcha.
And his P&L is right here.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's the stop. His is right here.
Shed.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
More.
Nice.
I think when I buy, I'm shedding. I hope. I'm not sure
You
if I'm
are.
buying calls or what. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you did. I guess you'd have to buy the shed.
Yeah.
Don, you know what's funny, but what you're doing right now,
Is
what you're
what?
doing right now is basically how you trade futures.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I know. We're all
Dave,
curious.
move that that stop down above or down below the. Right there is fine. Bring the stop down. There you go. That's good.
Now you're protected.
Stop that.
Whoa!
Good timing on that one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good job, Pebbles.
So let's pause it.
Still at the top of the regression. It may come down, but you just zoom out. I have no data or nothing. I have no idea.
Yeah, I was doing that a little while ago. Let me zoom it back out for you. So for the most part, it was started out from here. Diesel Dan took this trade here.
Oh, it's going to hell.
Yeah, it's going to the downside big time.
Yeah,
what
I
the day
mean,
looks like.
taking a call would be only to VWAP. Like I would not trust it above. I don't know.
Yep.
Even with the 2 minute.
So 5:59, Pebbles. Way to go, buddy. Hold on. So
Nice
where
job.
where was our starting point? 270, wasn't it?
Pretty close, Don, yeah.
Yeah, it was 270. So
Thank you, Pebbles, for
5:59
getting my money back. Whew.
minus
All right.
270. All right, Pebbles right now is winning 289. So he took Diesel Dan's top spot out. Diesel Dan was at 269 win.
Good work.
Nice job. Nice job.
How is your chart down below the EWO? That's weird. Like, do y'all see that? Or am I tripping?
The
I do
yellow
see- I
gold
do see
line.
it.
I don't know what that is.
What?
It's like you have
Right
a
here.
21 and 55 ribbon down in your volume chart.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. What the hell?
It don't matter. You can zoom back in. We'll be fine.
What the fuck happened there? There we go. Oh, now I brought my EWO down there. All right, this is what. There we go. All right. So who's next? Gilly, you want some?
I'm the bottom feeder.
The bottom here.
I'm gonna steer it up with one candle. On the bottom, I don't have any information. But looking at the ribbon
So
is
you saw
tightening up. I know we're way
it is.
below VWAP. The trend is definitely to the downside, so I'm very skittish going up. But I think it's going to go up a little ways. So I have calls for now, but where most people be shedding puts, I would be buying more.
Right.
So I bet
And
it
then
goes
if you
up
look at
another
this-
4 or 5 candles, and then it'll go right back down.
Okay, because it's not a 2-minute EWO, but it is starting at EWO a 1 minute.
Yeah,
And
No,
this is
and-
your 9 here, so
I don't even care about the Evo. There was a cliff dive.
I'd wait
Well,
for
and the
that candle
EWO
to,
doesn't matter if you're in it from the start on a red
Yeah,
EWO.
right.
It matters. VWAP matters. And
so
Hey,
VWAP's right here.
Yeah,
And the
so it's about to
200's
come
right
up a
there.
little bit. It's about to
That's-
come up a little bit, and that's where
Yeah.
I would be adding more puts.
Yeah, same here. Yep. Especially that far below VWAP.
but that is the what's it called? Escalate or more experienced EWO trader. Most of
Then-
us should.
The
Agreed.
9 just crossed the 21. You sure it's coming down?
I don't trust it to go up at all.
It's going to
Okay.
go up a little bit, but
So what do
That's
you
what-
want to do? You want to just watch it for a little bit?
well, yeah, give
Or
me
you want to
a,
get to the
let's
upside?
watch it go up 4 or 5 candles, and then
Okay.
I'd be buying puts.
All right, so we'll go ahead and hit play. It's on this level that I had marked out before from old trading, so makes sense that it's respecting that line right there. That must
And
have
it's
been a
at
gold
the
level.
55, right? Oh
It's
wait.
also
just
the
pulled
top
down.
of the regression channel here, so I mean,
Yep.
oh, there it goes. That was it. That was the opportunity to buy more puts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that must be a historic gold line you got down on right there.
Yes. I put it there for a reason.
Because it
Look at
didn't
that.
like that at all.
Spanked.
Mhm.
So what I said first was right, but look at that crap.
I was about to say he said 5 candles. Let's see this shit.
Wow. Ooh.
What's the date on this?
What did I
Don't
do?
tell
Like,
us.
somewhere towards the
Hopefully it
end
was
of January, the last couple weeks of January.
Oh, this year.
January 25th.
Mhm.
Yeah, puts.
Okay,
Add puts.
that's two.
Now,
I
that's
see.
quite the momentum to the upside there. It's a little tough to be buying puts right now, but I'd
Yeah.
probably be doing it anyway.
Me too.
What I tell you, that 9, I'm telling you, that 9.
All right, so I got to buy 10 of them.
You don't have to. You can buy as many as you want or as little as you want.
Yeah, I don't know.
What
if
do you
this is
normally buy, Gilly?
or not. There it goes.
We're calling these contracts too, so
Ooh,
Well,
Yeah.
oop, oop. Did you get me 10 of them?
too late, Gilly.
no, did you
There
ask
it is.
for 10 of them? What do you want?
2 candles ago,
downside?
but yeah, it's too late now. So keep going. Don't sit on my hands. I
Okay.
missed the opportunity.
I thought you were like, oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. It doesn't matter.
It's testing that line again, so we're going to see if it's going to flush out or pop
Yeah,
again.
it's going back down to the bottom of that regression channel.
Do you want to try to get some of that to the downside?
I wouldn't enter it now. That's diddling in the middle.
Okay.
everyone in the middle.
It's curling back up. Man, this is some choppy shit here, man.
That son of a
Right.
bitch is trying to go back up.
See, that's why I wouldn't mess with it.
Maybe wait until it breaks this area here.
So it almost looks like the channel is starting to level off. It's not as steep to the downside anymore. So this could be a reversal. But
Mhm.
January was pretty bad for Apple overall, I thought.
Yeah,
What
'cause
time
look
of day
what
is it?
happened.
12:30. So yeah, it's probably starting a reversal.
Mm-hmm. Lunchtime.
So that regression channel is just kind of, it's not tilting so much anymore. It's starting to level off.
Yeah.
Right. I do think this was when it did the like 12 o'clock reversals.
It's kind of in a channel here. Because look, it topped out here as well.
Right.
Yeah, but this
You have a
is
lower low and so far a lower high, but
Yeah, yep.
let's see, the regression's almost flat now.
Looks like it's breaking it to the upside, Gilly.
Mm-hmm.
Double top here too.
It's still way below VWAP, and there was a landslide earlier in the morning. So
And look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't trust it up. And is that your 200 coming down, that red
right.
line?
What's the
The
red?
red. The red is a 200. Yep.
Well, it's trying to break and go in the uptrend, isn't it?
I'd be looking
I
at
think
puts
so.
at that. I'd be looking at puts at that 200. But yeah, I mean, your aggression channel's going up now. So
I
And
do
this
not
is
trade
due
on
up.
1 minute. This is crazy. This is
Yeah,
why.
this
Also,
is a reversal, but there's still that cliff in the morning. Something happened to this stock. So
This
I don't
is,
trust it up. Just when do you buy more puts?
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, I hated
Maybe
that
when it hit,
200.
maybe when it smacks VWAP.
Your 21 and 55 ribbon is still opening up,
Mm-hmm.
but that's about to be slammed shut, I think. So it didn't like the 200.
Nope.
Might do a retest. If so, that's more than likely bullish. Otherwise, we're still to the downside. The overall trend is definitely down.
Yeah, because it's still to this.
yeah, I bet on the 2 minute that regression channel is still down. If do you want me to say 2 minute again? Because I will.
Look at
You
that.
want any puts? You want any puts?
It's hard to go against the trend.
You want puts? No? Yes?
Yeah, I got puts at the 200, but it's hard to tell. That regression changed. I mean, you have to zoom out a little bit to know.
I think we're going to get another bounce right
But
here
it's
off the
still
regression
making
channel.
lower lows and I mean higher lows and lower.
Hey, Gilly, you got to make a trade, buddy? You missed all of this and all of that.
I didn't get chopped up either.
That's true.
I'm
So
like,
we
you
are-
going to play or what?
All right, Don. So put a resistance line up at that 220.80.
All right.
And we are creating a lower channel. Or 221 or something, somewhere make it look cool. But so we are down to a lower channel right now.
What was that, 220.80?
Yeah. It just popped through it, but it got rejected right back. So I would keep it at 220 right there. Nailed it. So it's going to come back down again. I don't know. It's hard to get into calls, but you could get into calls back up to the 220.80 and then puts back down because you're still overall in a downtrend. The upward momentum would just be scalping.
So let's do that. Let's get you three. Let's
Yeah, whatever. Buy some calls up to that 220, probably around 220.60 or 50, and then I bet it goes back down again.
F2, what date did you say this was?
25th January.
Yeah. January 25th.
That regression's throwing me off. It's just Apple landed on its face and now it's just skipping across the floor. You look at the open like it dropped. But I don't know, right here it could go up. I bet it goes up to 220.60-ish or something.
So far, here's your P&L. We don't have a stop in there yet. You want a stop put in here somewhere?
Yeah, put a stop around 220.30. Just a little bit below it, whatever. I mean,
Wouldn't you
split
put
the
it right
keep going.
at
Keep
that
going.
200?
Keep going. Okay, because, I can't really see what.
Oh,
No,
you're
whatever.
at
Leave it there.
Oh,
Leave it there.
Right here?
We're going to go a couple more candles. If it continues to go up, we can, it's just going to stop me out. Ooh, there we go. So
Okay.
right there, I
You
would
put-
secure the trade and put the stop on top of what I paid. Right there. Just barely. Just barely.
Nice.
So now we are at the top of that channel, the 2280. So you have heavy resistance here. That would, yeah, see, I was going to sell, but look at that shit go.
Yep. You want to move it up? Take some more?
Yeah,
Drop it
definitely move the stop up. I wouldn't shed anything yet.
about right
Just-
here.
I'd put it above your white line. Now look at that damn thing climb. So is that VWAP there?
VWAP's right here.
But yeah, I would probably stop out right here. There it is. I'd take that. I mean, your overall momentum is to the downside, period.
But you might have an iron bounce.
You didn't get
There you
stopped
go.
out. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Nice trade.
Yeah, move the
Nice.
stop up. Well, it's gonna pull. It ain't gonna go up. There's no way in
Yeah,
hell.
it's about to be stopped out.
It jumped off a cliff at open.
Oh shit.
There
Ah,
it goes.
there it is.
Woo. And you got a super trend.
Wow.
So the
Good
red thing
trade,
is-
Gilly.
But you can tell, I mean, you zoom out, you look at that open, it fell off a cliff. You know, I mean, bag holders are waiting to get out, but they want to get out at the best price possible. So they're going to allow this shit to go up a little bit and then just hammer it.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
Kind of have an EWO.
Where did we start at with that one?
So I don't trust this reversal. I bet it's still down for the day. That was quite a drop. But I don't ever trade Apple.
Yeah, I say I don't either. I usually do in SPY, so I don't know if this one has a time of day where it dumps and then recovers or what.
Maria, she's our authority.
1 minute makes it look exciting, though. It makes it look like SPY.
I have a question. Under this cloud that you got here, the next thing, the thing under that, what is that? That's green there. Is that?
That was the 200
No, all the way down. Next
in the
to
red part of the regression channel.
further down, over the through the blue line.
That's the EWO under that.
What's this green down here? And this green and red
Those are volume bars.
volume bars. Okay.
Right. And so the green is buyers and the red is sellers. So it tells you at that moment who was dominating.
And you can see, like, there, you know, Jimmy used to talk about a fence post. You see a big green bastard down there, a whole bunch of volume, but you can also see it like flick from red to green too. So it's higher volume, but it doesn't really indicate a direction. It just indicates volume.
And then the one under that one there says, what is that? I thought that was a volume thing too. I think it says TV or something on there.
So that's the Trading View logo. But yeah, where the TV, that's volume.
And the one above it is volume too.
No, the one above it is the Elliott wave oscillator.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
So you can have that below VWAP.
There's a lot of people who don't use that volume one at the very bottom. Sometimes you can use the moving average, the ATR, average true range. That's what I'm after. That's a good spot
165,
for-
Gilly. You
that's a
made
good spot.
165 on that, buddy.
Take that shit.
So yeah, the EWO is either red or green, and then the line on top of it is showing whether buyers or sellers were in control, and white is neutral. Does that make sense, Pebbles?
Well, not really, because
It's the big
I thought the EWO, the green was above the VWAP.
No, that's when we should take it, but it happens below VWAP as well. Like
I
it
didn't
can
know
be
that.
in an uptrend, like it could be in a 1 minute, Dawn, EWO,
Mhm.
below VWAP, but it's more sketchy. It's definitely a scalp because it's below VWAP. It's not an EWO trade.
Okay. All right.
Because I figured we're all jumping in here, jumping in and out. So why put it on a 2-minute well, when nobody's really riding that out, we're kind of in and out, switching people. So I left it on the 1 minute for scalping purposes. Where are we? What time is it? It is 1:50. We're at
Yep, looks like almost up on one. Yep, 13 to 150. Yep.
1:50. So we'll end the show when we get to 4:00. Sound good?
Yep.
All right. So who's next? So far, we've got Pebbles in the lead with $289. Diesel Dan is in second spot with $269. Only $20 separates them. Then we got we got Gilly with $165 and F2 with $159. And Maria got spanked for $158.
Wah, wah, wah. I'll make my own sound effects. I got my own board over here.
Maria,
No.
you want to redeem yourself? Go for it.
No, I'm not comfortable. Like the 1 minute is not okay with me.
It's
I never
read the candles. The hell with the
go
minute.
up. I go up in time frames and never go down. So, I mean, in the
Let her up on a 2
pre-market.
minute. Let her see if she can redeem herself on a 2 minute.
Ooh,
All right, you want
I knew
to?
I liked you, Bucko. That's what I'm talking about.
Bucko, being Diesel.
Oh, Diesel. I'm so sorry.
Are you in? Are you in
I'm sorry.
shares
Bucko
or
is
options?
down here in the chat. I'm sorry. My bad.
That's
You
okay.
trade
Call me
shares-
Bucko. He's a cool dude. I like that. It's all right. No
Maria,
Yes, sir.
you trade more shares or options?
Options.
Okay.
So I just put it on the 2 minute. So we'll go ahead and hit play, and you let me know what you want to do. Okay.
Okay.
Oops, sorry.
All right. Play, and we are underway.
Well, we have that white line, which was our resistance, right? Isn't that where
Yes.
you created the channel? All right. I'm
Yep.
gonna wait. I'm still waiting on a crossover. Oof, and see. I didn't get one.
Look at that.
We're gonna see about this candle.
This
Oof.
shit's
And
out
now
of
we're coming
nowhere.
up on VWAP. Oh.
Uh-huh.
This is Apple, right?
It is.
And okay, so that is the difference in the replay. I've been having issues. It's the 2 minute versus the 1 minute. It looks way better in the 1 minute, quite honestly. All right. Whew.
It's weird because it's right by VWAP.
Right.
So I wouldn't mess with it until it either completely reverses or breaks and holds over it.
What's
Right.
Coach say right here? He says no touchy.
This
Yep.
is no touchy.
And look at this pattern. But bam.
Right, but okay,
Same
so
thing.
she does do that. She is a
Mhm.
really good little wedger, and then pop, wedge, pop, wedge, pop. I remember this day. I swear I do. I was watching. All right, I'm gonna buy 10 up.
She's in an uptrend right now.
I want 10 up.
All right. And where do you want
There
your
you go.
stop?
I want my stop a little bit above that last white candle, like 2-3
Right
candles
here?
ago now. No,
Right here.
below VWAP. Yep, right there.
So it broke VWAP. Will it hold? Oh,
God damn.
We're at the 9. It's okay. We're at the 9.
this is
But I would
SPX.
never trade this around VWAP. Like, this is ridiculous.
There it is.
Wow. All right. So I paused it so we can figure out what you made on that. Good God Almighty.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That thing stopped you out so quick.
That's where
Right,
you buy more
because
clips.
she's helping me. But I really probably, because it isn't in the channel yet, I don't know. I think a 1 minute is easier on replay, honestly, with TradingView from what I practiced over the weekend and what you're showing me. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't break into the what's it called yet?
All right, so 724. So 98 minus
I'm way
24.
red. I give up.
No, you're not red. You're 74 up, girl.
Yeah, so you
You're
do
gonna
have
have some huge buying candles before you got into that.
Exactly. So you made $74 on that.
Well, hell yeah. Am I green yet? No, I
All
still
right,
have like
so I'll add it
80
to what
bucks.
your total was, right?
Yeah,
Which
my
was
negative total.
Negative 158, right?
Right. So now I'm like 80 bucks.
you cut it in half in one trade. So yeah, give it another shot.
All
And,
right.
yes, go again.
Yeah, I don't know about this 2 minute. Like the whole y'all see what I was saying? I was asking the other day about the replay because it's like the whole candle appears. Like, how did I even have a chance to trade it? But I guess it is the 1 minute versus the 2 minute, huh?
You got it, man. We all as traders can go red and lose money, but it takes a good trader to come back to zero or make profit after they've won.
That's right. And you're negative 84. So you went from negative 158 to 84. You knocked half of it off.
I've been green for 11 days. I'm not doing it.
So I
All
started
right.
off red, and then I scalped SPY 7 times to get even this morning.
Oh my God.
Hell
did you?
yeah. That's why I
Just-
told you I
Wow.
was very proud of you.
Just little bites. That'll work for that shit.
Look, we were talking about that yesterday. Incrementals, man. They add up. Yeah.
I remember Gilly doing that back in last year, like July. He was down. It was a ton, but he scalped his way out of it. What you remember that? It was a big.
Yeah,
He
I
come out-
do.
Yeah, he come out of a big hole. Gilly, you remember? You did something.
Yeah.
in July.
I own the shovel.
Dude, that was our introduction. Some of us newer people to Gilly.
Yep.
Because I remember he came on the aftermarket talking about it. That was one of the first couple times you came on and you were telling us about what had happened.
Yeah, losing big is a bitch, and you'll never win it big. You'll never get it right back as much as you want it. You'll never get it back. It like this morning I was red. Took me 7 trades to get green again, and I knew it. It's just baby steps. Just take it to
Yeah.
get neutral. Then I can play around.
We've
But
seen Coach-
getting it back's a bitch.
That's focus.
Okay. Switch it back to the 1 minute, please.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry. I know I asked for it and now I regret
You're
it. You'll have that. I'm a woman, you know. Turns out. That's what we do.
That's what Bucko said down there, Maria, in the chat. He said he has that effect on the ladies.
Right. I heard that. All right.
So
Wait,
we're back
did you
to
already hit
1 minute.
play? Is
No,
that the 1
not
minute?
yet.
No,
No,
just
that's-
like that shit looks.
That's the
Okay.
1 minute.
Sorry for my potty mouth. All right.
Let me know when you want to. Let me know when you want
I
to go.
can't see the EWO on your screen. I don't know what.
It's
going
right here.
on. Okay. All right. Roll it.
And she's off and running.
Oh, I want one. I mean, 10. Let's take 10 down. Buy, sell.
Where you want your stop at?
Above that white line. Yeah, right there.
It's gonna break that channel, then, ain't it?
Ah, I got.
Damn, Maria.
That's crazy. What? She's gonna come right back down too. I should have gone up into the regression channel above the 21. That's my fault.
So we were at.
Yeah, I don't need your calculations, boo.
I'm giving you the calculations, boo. Oh
Zooming in
shit!
this close.
Damn.
Zooming in this close is Russian roulette.
Right?
Yeah.
It is. I mean, I literally go up to the 5 minute once I'm in a 2 minute to the good. I like
Playing-
the 3 minute.
Playing whack-a-mole, only the moles have a hammer too.
Right.
Right. See, Forrest said, Maria, stop trading. You right, Forrest?
All right. That was negative 218 right there.
Damn. That was a hit. Okay. I'm done for the day. I've risked my risk management has been met. My tolerance is over.
Who is that laughing? Diesel Day?
No, that's not me. No, I guess
All right.
No. I think it was F2 was doing it. He was laughing.
Okay, so 84.
Still trying to figure out this camera. This is stupid.
Yeah, I don't know what it was. Something about an update is what it told me I needed to do with my phone or something.
Nobody can
My
see you
phone.
anyway. All we can see is the screen. Don't worry about
My
it.
phone works fine. It's the at home that's screwed up.
Oh, and your PC, your home computer?
Yep. And I haven't been on the Restream for quite a while. I even had to sign into damn YouTube and all kinds of shit and have a backup email, and it's been a while.
Yeah, same here. Yep, same thing.
I'm gonna refresh Restream. I'm gonna
All right.
All right, Dawn, I think it's your turn.
Yeah, it's
My
Don.
turn.
Yep, it's your shot at it.
All right, I'll play.
Show us what's happening.
Can you guys hear me?
All right. I just
Yep.
let you back in.
All right.
Yeah.
What do you Don? What do you normally trade? What is your go-to stock in the morning? What do you usually?
I used to do IWM in the pre-market. I just do the hot stock picks, but today I started a 90-day challenge for myself for Apple. So I'm sticking to Apple for 90 days. I've traded it today. I was green, like $56. Not a whole lot, but
Green?
That's awesome.
That's
hey.
awesome.
Yep. I will take it. I took 2 trades in Apple. I would have been up $200 today. I took a trade. I had a 230 strike, right? I had one contract and it got up to where it did a bit, kind of a knife drop candle, but it didn't break the 9, but I got out anyway. And I paid $225 for that contract. I got out at $216. So I lost $9 on it. So I was pissed because literally as soon as I got out of that, it had 2 huge green candles to the upside. So literally within a minute, I got back in with 2 $42 contracts. And so I cashed one out about an hour later for 65, and then I've cashed the other one out for 84, which is what I paid for the 2 of them. So I did good with the second trade. Just the first one, I bitched out.
Yeah, that's still good. Damn good.
Okay, so let's do it. So let me take a quick look at the screen here. Where is VWAP? VWAP is right here. It's below VWAP. It is okay. All right, let me see what's happening. Let's just hit play. The 9 is below everything, right? Let's go with some 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go with 10 puts. I'm gonna wait. All right, we'll put the stop. I'm gonna hold off on my stop for a minute. Come on back down, baby. Come on.
The 9 is still on your side. Ooh.
Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy.
Right. She's doing great.
Come on down. Yeah.
Getting into the cloud a little bit, but
yeah, I'm flattening. I'm out. I'm done. All right. That was a hit. Let me pause.
But you're in power hour. It's like I don't trade in that last hour. I really try not to.
Shit, Maria, I might have beat you.
Mustang Chris down in the chat said, give him 100 calls, Don.
Nah, I just lost two pennies on that. Because it was at 550, so it's at 548. Probably because I had this. And I got in up here, I think. So yeah, I kind of almost broke even on that one.
So the center of the regression channel is also resistance, correct? Or no? Like between red and green. No?
I guess it can be looked at as all of those lines can be looked at as resistance points and support. I never used it, but I did use the top and the bottom before. I will, yeah.
KB's asking a question. She wants to know, how do you set the stop line on the screen in trading view?
What, when you're trading with it? Because I don't paper trade with it or anything. I just set it when I'm doing the replay. And when you put a position on, like say we're doing it here, right? And we put some up positions on, you just hover over the actual position, and it opens up those three levels here. So you've got sell, add, I think, and you got a stop loss right here. And you just click on it.
I think that was resistance, Don. You see
and
that?
drag it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You see the drop off the, oh man.
Mm-hmm.
Was that what you was asking, KB?
Look at this thing.
Micro double top.
This looks like some FOMC shit right here.
Yeah. Something's
You might
going
have
on in the
picked
news.
it. God.
Something's on the news.
I think this is maybe the day the China sales were crazy.
He said, okay, gotcha. Thanks, Don.
You're welcome.
All right, VWAP.
Something's on the news talking.
All right, Zookins looks like it's going to go down again.
You just zoom out a little.
There you go.
Channels.
Is that better, Gilly?
Yeah, shit about to buy puts.
So yeah, Gilly, I wish that trend channel on Webull wouldn't move. Like I don't want it to move. I want to see when it breaks the channel. I don't want the channel to move.
Coming up on a double top.
The channel's missing the data from open.
The top of the regression channel is a double top. Y'all see that?
Yes, ma'am.
And look what it's doing.
Joe Pink says it's a great show tonight. He'll come on tomorrow night. And Jeffrey says, can you click between the sell and buy to change the number of shares?
Yes, you can. Yep, you sure can. Hold on, let me show you. You don't have to buy them one at a time. You can set them in groups. You see that? So you can get 5, you can get 25 at a time, 100. So if you guys want to play tomorrow, we can always do that. But I just put it on one so that, you know what I mean, you can just do it quickly. And it broke the channel.
It sure did.
Or it's trying to anyway. At least broke this double top. Now we just needed to break that. That would have been a nice upside. God darn, look at this thing. FOMC.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's a correction big time. That's like what the hell it did yesterday or the day before when it was going down and all of a sudden shot up with 3 huge candles.
Hmm.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good one there. I like that.
Good game, everybody.
Good stuff, Don. Good
It was
stuff.
fun.
Yeah, for sure. I need my L2 next time. Okay.
My picture shows some stupid red thing in the center.
And I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Sorry, that was me laughing.
Pebbles.
Look
I'm
at that.
so
I love
excited.
that. That is awesome.
Is there some stupid red thing
What
in the
is
center?
that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
So
red
watch
square
this.
with a
Hold on.
circle.
Now, is there some spiral throwing star stupid ass
That
thing?
looks like the OBS symbol.
So
That's what brand my camera is. All right, thank you for clarifying that. But now it's all gone. It's bullshit. I don't know what's going on. But I tried it on my phone and everything works fine.
Huh. Weird. It's
I don't
still a
know.
cool ass picture though.
Yeah, it is.
I got some great ones, but I got to figure out the settings on my computer. I went to the settings and it's all allowed. So I don't know what's going on.
Weird.
Yeah,
Well,
Mickey,
I want to thank all of you for hanging out with me tonight and playing Aftermarket Replay. I think it was fun. I think we should do this more often. You think?
I do, yeah.
absolutely. I also miss Hangman. That was fun.
I know we did do a hangman. We can mix it up. We can do both. I want to do like when we got a lot of people like this. I want to almost kind of do like a Hollywood Squares type of thing too. So Maria, you and I should get together and come up with some of these quiz questions and
and you had some of the Jeopardy stuff.
Yep, I've got a Jeopardy thing that we can use I can share the screen and we can fill it in with questions. Maybe I'll go ahead and get with that and like share it with you. I think Miranda has it.
The other thing I was thinking was Cahoots. Have you ever heard of that?
I have heard Cahoots. Oh my God.
Right? And then everybody at home can participate because you just send out the link to get in.
Oh man. Isn't that a card game?
Okay, so maybe I'm thinking of the wrong thing, but this is like a quiz online and then everybody answers.
I think it's like a quiz on some card. I think it's actually like a board game too, though. That's pretty cool. They have it online.
Everybody in the comments is saying, yes, yes, awesome, sounds great, let's do it.
Yeah, so it is online, and I used to, like when I was a teacher, I would create classroom quizzes and let the kids get their phones out and they could participate, and you know, it would give me a good barometer of where my class was before a test or whatever.
Sweet.
And what I needed to review.
Okay. Well, you and I can
Oh,
talk.
they were probably on Instagram and Snapchat and whatever else, but well.
What? Sorry.
Cool. All right, man. I will end with Coach's rules. Thank you guys for participating in tonight. We'll go ahead and do it again tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a different game tomorrow. We'll do the same thing. We'll figure it out. And Maria, yeah, let's get together on the quiz stuff in the next couple days or something, and maybe do a Hollywood Squares for like Friday. You think?
So I'm not old enough to remember the Hollywood Square.
I had to look it up on YouTube, dude.
Okay.
I think there's
Go
12.
Tell me about it, Pops.
I think there's 12 spots in it.
Okay.
It is. It
And
is.
then
But
how's
we'll
it
have
go
to do it
from
with
there?
less.
Then how's it go from there? What happens?
Yeah. I just remember the squares.
Yeah, just look it up. Look it up. But I looked at it the other day, right? What it is somebody, maybe somebody from the chat would pick one of us to answer a question. But see, they would have to know the questions, and yeah, it's weird. So I don't know. We'll have to figure out how to incorporate it into the show.
Hey,
but
Don,
go
I
watch
gotta
an
go.
episode. Huh?
Maybe we
I gotta
could.
go. I'll see you guys here tomorrow.
All right. Sounds good, baby. Thanks for being here.
Night,
Have a good
Gilly.
night, Gilly.
Maybe we could have like random generated questions. Why would they have to know the question?
Yeah,
We
I'm
could
just
have,
going
like,
off of Hollywood Squares.
random generated ones, and you just pick one, and it goes to that. I don't know. All right.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Cool
Holla.
There's 9
I
squares.
will.
9?
9.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah,
tic-tac-toe
we have 9
game.
on here.
Yep.
We could. Yeah, it's a tic-tac-toe because
Oh.
if somebody answers a question, they get that like whoever's up here would be their X or their O or whatever.
Exactly. Yep.
Yep.
Look
That's
at
pretty cool.
Pebbles. I'm telling you what, Pebbles.
We'll
You're
get
a
it
beast.
figured out. Everybody have a good night.
You
Having
too,
you in
John.
Apple Chat, Pebbles. I love it. Good night.
Thanks for having me. I'll get my camera fixed and have a great night, y'all.
You too, brother. Peace and blessings, everybody down in the chat. Thank you for coming and hanging out with us. If you guys want to come up and be on the panel and play with us, come on up here. Get up here early so you can get a spot. And peace and blessings. See y'all tomorrow.
Please follow the rules. Nobody go rogue. Some of the rules that we have to and live and die by in here is do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares and or options. Make sure you guys are practicing small base hits. Don't go for home runs. Allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading using a simulated trading system such as Webull or some of the other ones that are out there. If you are an expert trader, please make sure you also are being careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 to 9 minutes of the day. Those are the absolute most volatile times in the entire market. Also, if you're a newer trader, please don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Those are the most dangerous times.